Hey, if you want to download more always on display themes on your Samsung Galaxy M34 5G, first of all just be sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data and open the settings. Next, scroll down, locate themes. Now click on always on display. And let's say that I want to download 3 themes. So I have to click right here, I have to type 3, and here we are. So it's currently dominated with the Christmas, always in this place because that's the Christmas time. But let's say that I'm gonna actually get this pig. So I have to click on it, then tap to download. And now wait for the downloading process. After that, click apply. And you can put it to the clock and image or only image, so we can decide. I'm gonna get it on the clock and the image, so click done. And now let's see if it works. So I'm gonna close my screen. I'm gonna tap on it, and that's my pic. It's actually not good visible on the camera, but it appears my always on display has changed. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.